The world of corporate, commercial, or business law it's massive. And what I do here is I try and simplify the process for my clients, whether it be somebody who's looking to start a business or somebody who's been in business for 50 years. As a business owner, it is vitally important that you get the appropriate advice from the beginning. So whether it be before you're thinking about buying a business to before you're thinking about buying somebody else's business, it's important that you sit down with your accountant, your lawyer, the professionals around you so that you can map out how you need to go forward. I've always prided myself, and I've said this time and time again, I pride myself in being a service-first business where the client comes first and their needs come first, as opposed to me just trying to get them in, get them out, bill them and move on. There's so many subtle changes from year to year with respect to the various different legislation pieces that will affect you as a business, whether it be the Income Tax Act, which obviously is the most important, to the Business and Corporations Act, both provincially and federally. Most people don't know that you can incorporate your business federally, you can incorporate it provincially, and there are different ramifications as a result of both. Liability can become such a massive, massive issue. If you're a sole proprietorship or somebody who's just running a business on a day-to-day and you haven't incorporated your business, you could be subject to all kinds of liability issues if somebody decided to sue you. I can't tell you the number of clients I had who, sort of went into business and then had these issues arise, and at that point it's too late. So it's so important to sit down with those professionals before you start your business to make sure that you can make the appropriate business decisions. Remember, at the end of the day, your lawyer, your accountant, they'll do whatever it is you want them to do. But at least, having all the cards laid out in front of you so that you can choose which cards and how to move forward based on your business and how you'd like to do things is so drastically important. You might be getting certain tax advice from your lawyer that's at odds from the business advice you're getting from your accountant. And as a result, you need to ensure that these professionals are talking so that they can resolve these issues so that your goals are the only thing that matters. Your goals are the only objectives that are looking to be achieved here. What I tell my clients is, again, come down, sit down with me, we'll flush all that out and get a better understanding of what you're looking to do. And once we know what your objectives are, we can then best advise you as to how best to move forward.